I wanna get a picture of you on here. What's ow? What's ow? This? There.
I wanna hold it.
Okay. Rohan, how does that radish taste?
Good.
Good. Is it spicy? Yeah?
Yeah.
A little bit? Okay. Here are the onions, harvested green onions,
That's the problem with these
and radishes, Swiss chard. First harvest. Everything looks good. They just got a bunch of rain. Harvest tents. Washers.
Washers.
Processors. Got
I think you should take a picture of Rohan, manager.
Yeah. Oh, are the onions gone already?
They're in the cooler.
Okay.
Are these white today?
No, but you can't use it. They're in a bed. They're ready for the... Sorry.
And here are the nice bunches.
Did I get you the...
Today we're harvesting a little under
A
half
little white one? Okay.
of the
You like the
CSA
white ones a mile?
shares.
That's what Kelly thought. I don't know.
You think the white ones are a mile,
About
Katie?
45.
Or Kelly?
What?
You think the white ones are the mile one?
I don't know.
Another one.
No, honey, not yet. We'll have to wait till there's a leftover. About 45 shares are being harvested today, and then the rest on Thursday, and there's about 125 total. Let's see if we can find some onions in here. Nope.
Are you looking for onions?
Yeah.
Yeah,
That one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay.
That one.
Oh, there they are. Green onions.
There's a lot of the purple ones. The Easter egg. There's a lot of the purple.
They've already done the Swiss chard and the kale.
Okay, time for the count.
Here's all the brassicas, but no broccoli yet, just kale. Here's the kale, and there's all different varieties down there. And the Swiss chard.
We're there.
Yeah, well.
We're gonna have plenty.
Should we save these for Thursday?
Yeah. We'll just pack them all, put them all in the same place, and then what's left over, we'll just leave in the cooler. For...
They'll be fine.
Yeah.
And my mom and the crew down here. There's farm manager eating his radish, enjoying the spiciness. And we've got beans over here, peas, got their blossoms on them already, lots of them. And the rest of the crew is harvesting spinach, which looks beautiful, so I want to get some footage of the spinach before I stop the video here. Here we got some arugula and salad mix coming up. Here you can see all the rain. Coming!
If you're taking pictures, Kelly, if you're taking pictures, I mean, I asked Katie to do it, but you could do it too. I have a black bag that's hanging over there with my digital camera in it.
Oh, okay.
Would you be willing to just pull that out and take some pictures of us working?
Sure, totally.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Yeah, he wants to get a picture of everybody and then of me.
Spinach.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, I appreciate it.